Peace and blessings, fam. Today, let's talk about alopecia and hair loss. You know, losing your hair just doesn't affect how you look, but it affects how you feel about yourself, how you view yourself. It affects your self-esteem, your self-confidence, your self-worth. But I am here to let you know, ladies, that it's not over. This is not the end, and there is help. Notice how I am loving on my client's hair. I am massaging, moisturizing, as well as brushing her hair. These are the things that you need to do to help your hair growth journey. Yes, I'm using our G&G hair growth oil and hair growth butter, and it definitely works. As you can see here, I am installing my custom frontal. Yes, ladies, my custom frontal is especially wonderful and amazing for those with alopecia, hair loss, thin edges, no edges, short hair. I mean, it works wonders. It gives you the fullness that you want in the front, on your edges, at the top, and no one will ever know that you have any hair loss. Yes, today I am doing box braids. Look at these crochet box braids and look how beautiful this style came out. It is so nice and full. My client never thought that she could wear braids again. She never thought that she can have the natural look that this style has given her with my custom frontal. Look how natural that looks. Look at her scalp. No one will ever know that she has hair loss. This style came out absolutely flawless. It's natural looking, lightweight, and very versatile. She's going to be able to wear it up, wear it down. She's going to be able to wear it in so many variety of styles. Again, look how gorgeous this came out. Absolutely beautiful. If you would like to order this, tap the link in the description below to get your order in today for my custom frontal and my custom closure. Again, it is excellent for those with hair loss, alopecia, thin hair, bald edges, no edges, thin edges. Get your order in today. Again, tap the link in the description below. The frontals and the closures are very affordable. They're reusable. And they are made out of material that can be reused over and over again. So get your order in today. And again, look how beautiful this style came out. Okay, family, if you are not just looking for a crochet style that is beautiful, but one that also helps grow your hair, well, this is the video for you. Yes, I always start off by moisturizing, massaging, and brushing my client's hair. And as you can see here, I am brushing in all areas, especially those areas where she has hair loss. And then I'm going in and I'm going to give her the healthiest braid pattern for her hair as well as for the style she's going to receive. On this braid pattern, I did the reverse, and then I tucked the ends. Then I'm going in with my custom frontal. Yes, this is my custom frontal, only sold on my website, but it's especially great for those who have hair loss, thin hair, short hair, damaged hair, and even those with healthy hair. As you can see, we're going to be using these go-go curls. Yes, we have a color red, and we also have 1B, and we're going to mix those. Yes, these are the pre-loop go-go curls, and they are coming out absolutely gorgeous. I am crocheting them mainly on the net and not on her natural hair, and this is the beautiful outcome. I mean, these came out absolutely gorgeous. So go-go curls are the go-to crochet curls for 2025. If you haven't tried them, try them. I guarantee you'll love them.